hello guys. For tonight's vlog, pupunta tayo sa Cafe Build at doon tayo mag-dinner. Kaya let's go! May mga pa-checkpoint. On the road na tayo. Anong street po ba ito, kuya? Anong? Ha? Magsaysay Street. Ayan. Ito na, nakasakay na kami ng taxi. Moving doon sa Cafe Bill. Ayun o, itong dito sa may kanan yung palengke, ano? Yun. Sa may palengke pala ito. Walang park yan, di ba, kuya? Anong oras po ba nagsasara ang mga karamihang tindahan, kuya? Mga alas 9, mga gano'n, no?
Right, ang mga baliwag.
Ayan.
Hours na iba. Yan, pasto.
Yung gilid, Burnham Park yun. Medyo na-traffic na din, no? Magandang kainin. Ayan na. Opo. Ayan. So, dito na kami sa wheel. Hi! Nag-message ako sa live nyo na reserve a table. Okay, second time ko na pumunta dito. This is the second time. Pero noon, wala pang, Yung kanilang mga menu.
So thinking of the answers, oh no, we can go and dance and dance and it's right, telling me right. Think it's so familiar, oh yes, but maybe who you want to shine so.
So, iikot tayo dito sa ibang part ng place. Ikot-ikot tayo. Dati dyan kami nakaupo. So, ito naman yung kanilang place. So, dito na part, no, nakikita yung bar. Pinatay ko yung lights kasi masyadong iskandalosa. Let's proceed here dito sa na to, place. Ayan naman yung nandito sa labas banda. So, previously nung pumunta kami dito, wala pang gaanong bar. Ganito. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin yun. That was, I think, 2020 before mag-pandemic. Wala pang ganon. Hindi pa ganito ang itsura. And ngayon, meron na siyang bar. Marami ding mga tao. Masarap din kasi silang mga pagkain dito. So, balik na tayo dun sa merong kumakanta sa bar nila while waiting yung aming pagkain. Yung kanilang pasta and ang kanilang salad. Mixed seafoods with broccoli and mga vegetables.
Let me give you another classic song by Chandra.
Who truly cares for me? Some people want it all, but I don't want it all. You feel it too, baby. You find it too, baby. Some people want to tolerate and so just when everything is nothing. They're calling out you.
So, order tayo.
Smooth operator, smooth operator.
Order tayo ng
It's a land, 'cause we're only bring me us down when we all truly scream. We belong to you and me.
So, ang kagandahan dito sa Coffeeville, kailangan mo lang pipindutin yan, kung kayo ay merong orderin. So, ito na yung carbonara. So, try natin ang kanilang carbonara.
But the gay purpose, may mga musical dancers. So, kung may table,
Kain na kami. Napaktan.
Your eyes in the fluorescent, I feel such beautiful. You know it's all to that there song. You're the light in the deepest darkness song. You're a single man and one. In the green and green, I care for you. When you know that it's like that we do. And it's me you need to show. Now if we show up the show, there's your love. Now we need some love. Yes, we're really bringing us down. When we go through this speed, we belong to you and me.
Ang sarap ng kanilang kare-kare at saka yung kanilang mixed seafoods with vegetables. Pero winner talaga ang kare-kare. Winner din. Paalis na kami dito sa
Thank you for my side.
Thank you for watching, everyone!